Hi, my name's Andy, and in this short video, I'm going to talk to you about a challenge that sales teams across North America face, and then move into how our solution helps organizations to solve that challenge. So if we think about things from a salesperson's perspective, and I've actually encountered this challenge before in previous roles as a sales rep, salespeople really don't have a good way to prioritize the accounts in their territory, not an automated way to prioritize the accounts in their territory and see their accounts in a stack rank, the ones with the highest propensity to buy the product or service. And in addition to that, salespeople waste a lot of time manually researching companies. They're using Google, they're using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, they're reading annual reports from companies and other things that really aren't an efficient use of their time. And if I've got a territory with, let's say, 50, maybe even more, 100, 150 accounts in my territory, it's really difficult to keep up to date with that block of accounts, because without any real-time market intelligence specifically for my territory, it's just really difficult to keep up with everything that might happen to a company. And this reduces my effectiveness and my productivity as a salesperson. So that's the challenge that our solution helps companies to solve. In the next part of the video, what I'm going to do is pivot to show you the solution that can help resolve those challenges. And please imagine I'm a salesperson at a logistics and shipping organization in the United States for the purposes of this demo. So I cover the Carolinas, and you can see on the screen here, I have a list with my prospect accounts and my existing accounts. And this is synchronized with Salesforce.com. More about that later. But what I'm going to do is just click on my territory and go look at my prospect accounts in my territory. Now, the first thing you notice is I have the ability to sort my accounts by descending account score order, which is like having the VP of sales continually coaching me and helping me to focus on the right accounts that should be spending a large amount of time on. The account scoring model is customizable. It's built in the background. And what that does is enable me to stack rank the accounts in my territory, as you can see on the screen here. Something else I'm able to do if I click on signals is get this up to the minute feed of market intelligence over 68 different signal types, things that are happening to companies. And if I scroll down in this screen a little bit, what you can see is that one of my accounts in my territory here, SnapAV, they went public 3 months ago. I'm going to drill in and take a closer look at that company. And so when we look at SnapAV, I can see that this is a tier 1 account for me with an account score of 220. Now, I'm just highlighting the reasons why here. They have tagged their website with various keywords, which is important to our organization. They are also categorized as a specific type of manufacturer that we've been very successful selling to. They attend conferences that other companies that we've sold to attend. There are various systems that they run their business on that our other customers use. In this instance, transportation management systems like LlamaSoft or Blue Yonder. They have a specific headcount. Again, this account score is customizable by your organization. But what this tells me as a salesperson is this is a really important account for me to focus on and the reasons why. And if I click on the signals, I can very quickly see what's happening with this company. So I can see, as well as the recent IPO, they've launched a new product. They've made an acquisition of another company. They've won an award, and they've experienced employee growth and a leadership change. I can click on any of these articles and go look at that information, which can enable me to reach out to that company in a more personalized way, in a more intelligent way, whether that be by email or telephone, which often increases my chances of success of getting that company engaged. Now, I can do all of this in Salesforce.com as well, because our DataFox application is a 5-star App Exchange, Salesforce App Exchange partner. We plug and play with Salesforce out of the box. And so if I switch over to Salesforce in my demo now and just show you that I can do the same things in Salesforce. So I can stack rank my territory by account score order. And here we can see that same company, Snap AV, all of the data and signals and intelligence and the account score that we just focused on there in the first half of the demo also appears directly inside of Salesforce, either as data on the account object or in this iframe here. And so this is really a great solution to help your sales reps prioritize and personalize and be more productive. Thank you very much for watching. I'd love to have a follow-up conversation with you and with your company and build a prototype, a free prototype, and show you how this could help your organization to increase sales productivity. So thanks again. Take care.